Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best baking kits is probably one of the most fun and educational activities you can do with your little ones. Baking with kids aged 4 to 6 is a fantastic way to introduce them to the world of cooking, fostering creativity and developing crucial life skills. In this video, we'll explore some of the top baking kits designed specifically for this age group, ensuring a fun and safe experience for everyone involved. Number 5. Baketivity Cake Pop Baking Kit for Kids. This kit includes all the dry ingredients, pre-measured and safely packed. The ingredients are kosher and made in the USA. You don't even need a cake pop maker machine to enjoy these treats. Inside, you'll find pre-measured dry ingredients, a shopping list for the wet ones, and easy-to-follow instructions. The illustrations are kid-friendly and color-coded, making it simple for bakers of all ages. This kit teaches beginner bakers basic kitchen skills and baking techniques. Young chefs can build confidence while creating their own kitchen masterpiece with these cake pop sticks. Make memories by baking cake pops together in the kitchen. This kit is the perfect family gift and a great activity for bonding time with kids or grandkids. Scan the QR code in the kit to access a video guide by Baketivity's head baker. With the help of a professional baker, your child will feel like a baking pro too. What we like. This kit provides pre-measured ingredients and easy instructions, making baking a breeze. It also includes a video guide from a professional baker. If you're looking for a fun and educational activity that builds confidence in the kitchen, this is a great choice. What people say. Great project for kids. They taste delicious no matter how imperfect they come out. LOL, no additional ingredients needed, everything was included. Easy and fun to make, kids got very creative. Great quality of materials, kids enjoyed the flavor. Easy to follow directions, a 10-year-old did them perfectly with no adult help, delicious too. Number 4. Baketivity WhoopiePie Baking Kit, best gift for kids. This is more than just a cookie. It's a wonderful way to bond with children and build skills. It's easy, fun, and mess-free with delicious results. Whip up the fun and get this baking kit for a young aspiring chef. It is the perfect gift to take along to parties, holiday meals, and sleepovers. The kit includes all dry ingredients, pre-measured and vacuum-packed to preserve freshness. There are also awesome educational activities to enjoy while the cookies bake. This fail-proof baking kit enables kids and teens to have fun while improving their self-esteem. They can show off their ability to create something special in the kitchen. Create everlasting memories with fresh, certified kosher ingredients. They are manufactured in a facility in the USA. What we like. This kit is designed to be fun, easy, and mess-free, perfect for bonding with children. It uses fresh, kosher ingredients. If you want a baking kit that creates lasting memories with delicious results, this is the one for you. What people say. Great project for kids. They taste delicious no matter how imperfect they come out. LOL, no additional ingredients needed, everything was included. Easy and fun to make, kids got very creative. Great quality of materials, kids enjoyed the flavor. Easy to follow directions, a 10-year-old did them perfectly with no adult help, delicious too. Number 3. Baketivity Bug Cupcakes Kit. Looking for a fun and easy activity? This kit lets you bake delicious bug cupcakes with pre-measured ingredients. It's a great gift for kids ages 6 to 12. This is more than just a baking kit, it's a way to bond with children. It's easy, fun, and mess-free, with delicious results. Get a Baketivity baking kit for your young chef. It's perfect for parties, holiday meals, sleepovers, and more. The kit includes all dry ingredients, pre-measured and vacuum-packed. Enjoy awesome educational activities while the cupcakes bake. This fail-proof baking kit helps kids have fun and improve their self-esteem. They'll love showing off what they create in the kitchen. Create lasting memories with fresh, certified kosher ingredients. The ingredients are manufactured in a facility in the USA. What we like. This kit is designed to be fun, easy, and mess-free, perfect for bonding with children. It uses fresh, kosher ingredients. If you want a baking kit that creates lasting memories with delicious results, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit comes with pre-measured ingredients. The instructions are easy to follow. It's a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen. Number 2. Baketivity Plus highlights Kindness Baking Kit for Kids. Want to spend quality time with your kids? This kit lets them learn to bake cookies all on their own. It includes a kid-friendly recipe and pre-measured ingredients. It's a whole new level of arts and crafts. This baking set is perfect for kids to spend time together, welcome new neighbors, or cheer up a friend. All they have to do is mix, cut heart shapes, and bake. This set encourages motor skills and problem solving. Watch your child's self-esteem grow when those cookies come out of the oven. It helps parents encourage kindness and positivity. Your little baker will love receiving this kit as a gift. They'll feel so grown up as they pour, mix, and bake. It includes all dry ingredients, a cookie cutter, an instruction brochure, and an activity book. Baketivity and Highlights magazine have teamed up to spread kindness. This kit helps you connect with loved ones. It makes baking convenient, mess-free, entertaining, and educational. What we like? This kit includes a Highlights magazine activity booklet, promoting kindness and creativity. It encourages motor skills development. If you are looking for a baking kit that combines baking with arts and crafts, fostering kindness and positivity, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions are easy to follow. The ingredients already included and measured out. Pre-measured ingredient portions for the recipe of chocolate chunk cookies, easy to follow. Step-by-step instructions with pictures, history how chocolate was discovered and word activity game, to entertain the whole family, easily portable organizer box. Number 1. Baketivity Cake Pop Kit. Want to spend quality time with your kids? This kit lets them learn to bake delicious cake pops. It comes with a kid-friendly recipe and pre-measured ingredients. Forget scissors and glue, this is a new level of fun. This baking set is perfect for family time. Everything is pre-measured, so kids just mix, bake, and roll the cake pops by hand. This kit, along with the cake pop holder, is the ultimate set. It encourages motor skills and problem solving. Watch your child's self-esteem grow as they display their creations. Your little baker will love this as a gift. They'll feel grown up as they pour, mix, and bake. It includes all the dry ingredients, sticks, an instruction brochure, and a display stand. Baketivity kits create fun family moments. It helps you connect with loved ones. It makes baking convenient, mess-free, entertaining, and educational all at once. What we like? This kit allows you to create cake pops without a mold, making it easy and fun. It comes with a cake pop stand to display the creations. If you like a complete set that encourages creativity and proudly displays the finished product, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kit comes with pre-measured ingredients, making it easy for kids to follow the recipe. The instructions are clear and easy to understand for young children. The baking kits include fun and engaging activities, such as decorating cookies. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.